Superkids! The magical gears! Hello, my friends! Look what we have today! Oh, so many colored pieces! And gears? Cards! This is a school bus! And this is a taxi cab! And this is a cow! Let's put the first card here. We fix it with these shiny pieces. And now we pick the gears. We spin and spin and spin. Whoa! Look at this cow. The cow is a very beautiful animal, and it is from mammals. A male cow is called a bull, and a female is a cow. And for a baby cow, it's called a calf. The cow eats grass and grains, and it gives us milk, yogurt, and cheese. The sound of a cow is mooing. Alright, now it's the turn of the taxi cab. Let's put the card here. We put the colored pieces, one in the middle, and one on the wheel, and another one on the other wheel. Let's put the gears. 1, 2, 3. Let's try now. No! The gears are not working. Let's replace this one with a smaller one. Spin, spin, spin! Wow! It's a taxi cab! Beep, beep! The taxi cab is a public means of transportation to drive people from one place to another. We can recognize it from the word taxi that is written on it. You can take a taxi cab from the street just by waving your hand to the driver. Come on! One more time! Let's make the school bus now! We put the colored pieces first. And now, we put the gears. Come on, spin! Look, it's a beautiful school bus! Whee! Millions of kids around the world get on the school bus every morning to go to their schools. The school bus is known to be yellow, and it has black words written on it to be clear and well seen. To ride the bus, there are fixed rules. First, the bus should stop completely before we get on it. No stampede or crowds are allowed, and we should always keep it clean. That was so much fun! Goodbye, my friends!
Hey pals! Did you like our video? Search for Superkids on YouTube. Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe!